He's absolutely emphatic that he did not say that. More than that, he's emphatic that he wouldn't say that.
Yeah.
Jerry is a father himself. He's a grandfather, as you know, and as people know, he had experience of the horror that is abuse within his own family circle. So he refutes that. He is absolutely adamant. He's offended as a human being, never mind as a public figure, that a statement like that is being attributed to him.
There are big questions in the Republican about the way the Republican movement handled abuse allegations in the past, aren't there? There are huge questions to answer there at the moment.
Well, I think specifically on the case that's in the news at the minute, I'm conscious of a number of things. Firstly, that a person who has been abused or alleges abuse has to be at the centre of your considerations. I know this from dealing with people who have suffered abuse in institutional settings, some of them within their own family circle, which, by the way, is still the place where people are most vulnerable towards abuse, sadly. And I'm conscious that I don't want to say anything that hurts or discommodes somebody who alleges that experience happened to them. In this case, there was, albeit belatedly, a court case. The court acquitted those that were accused. Of course, the correct thing to happen, that should happen in every case where anybody is abused, is that they tell, that they come forward, that they go to the relevant statutory authority. I'm absolutely satisfied that he's telling the truth. I know that he's been...
So Maria Cahill is lying then?
No, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. And please don't put those words in my mouth.
There's obviously a clear distinction
he has been quite emphatic in his recollection of events, and he's absolutely emphatic that the remarks that are attributed to him were not made by him. I absolutely believe him on that score, and I accept it. And, you know, beyond that, you asked me, does he have questions to answer? I have no doubt that the media will be asking him questions. I have no doubt that he will answer those questions. But we need to be careful here. On the one hand, not to cause any distress for somebody who may be a victim of abuse. I'm conscious of that. I'm also conscious that you can't slur a person's reputation and attribute comments to them just because they're a public figure. I mean, there has to be an even-handedness and a level of respect at play in terms of how you deal with all of these issues.